My video guide will help you to remove the new ransomware called Anonymous Arabs. Anonymous Arabs is a new ransomware that targets many browsers today, many Windows computers today, sorry. My video, though, is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to do that. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Anonymous Arabs ransomware may be very easily injected into the system, and so very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts files and damages them considerably. And then the ransomware tells its victims that they need supposedly to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea, so don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to immediately remove this horrible ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software. So these are the consequences of the ransomware's attack. The ransomware actually appends this encrypt extension to the file names, and it's impossible to use the files. I urge you to be very careful and not to pay the ransom. Also, I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. So go here, combocleaner.com. Through this official website, download the software, install it, and then start carefully researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate all other types of threats which still could possibly remain on the system. Let me show you that Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature, which helps you to actually add certain folders that would always be under the protection against ransomware's attack. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium. This way you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover your data.